So today we have a handy little gadget. It costs less than £20 in fact. It is indeed the X9 mini sound card mixer, which has been described as being suitable with most condenser microphones. Now because this sound card is so cheap, we thought we'd test it out and see if it's any good. So first things first, we did buy this sound card from the BANGGOOD website. We do have an affiliated Buy It Now link, which will be displayed in the video description down below, and we did only pay £14 for it, which is around 18 in US dollars at the time of this upload, with that price expecting to fluctuate up within the next few weeks. As we can see to the front of the box, there is some kind of Bluetooth connectivity. You can use 2 microphones with this sound card, and there is some specifications to the rear too. Inside the box, as you can see, we have a fairly well packaged product. There is quite a simplistic user manual with minute writing. I mean, you're gonna need a magnifying glass for sure. There are no cables supplied, I'm afraid. You are gonna have to provide your own with this sound card, but what we have is a nice, very good looking compact unit. Let's see if it's got any power. Okay. It looks like everything is indeed backlit. So with that internal 1200 mAh battery, you can choose to use it wired or wirelessly, making this sound card compact and mobile to use when on the go. To the bottom, we have 4 grippy rubber feet which will provide excellent grip on flat surfaces. To the rear, we have a few ways in which to power and recharge the mixer. You can either do it by micro USB or Type-C USB cable. There is an ACC port, an earphone, headphone jack, for live microphone monitoring, there's a speaker port to connect your external speakers, and we have 5 other ports, like headset, live 1, live 2, dynamic, and mic ports. To the top left we have various volume controls, such as bass volume and mic volume, etc. Now these can be monitored via that volume control indication, which is situated to the right. We also have a reverb volume dial, which you can adjust the echo control, with the monitor volume control that sits just above. So yes, you can monitor your live microphone pickup through your headphones or speakers. Now to that bottom left, we have 9 useful features, like noise reduction to lower any background static, a fun voice changer, which you can have a lot of fun with by the way, with many much more useful effects and electronic sounds. Now let's just disconnect the speaker and connect our headphones, and we're quickly going to test out some of the features.
Testing, yeah boy! Echo! At the rivers of Babylon. Let's take the echo off, let's turn the reverb down. And yeah, this is what the microphone's going to sound like. And well, yes, today we're actually using a very cheap microphone, which is the BM800. So yeah, you've seen a few of these around about £10, but we thought we'd test this out just to show an example of what this sound card can actually do, in way of making your voice sound a lot more crisp and clear. So at this present moment in time, got a denoise pressed upon the mixer. We're going to turn that denoise off. And as you can tell, yes, there's a massive difference. Background static, in fact. Listen. Quite a lot of interference, but once that denoise is pressed, it gets rid of it, and your voice becomes more precise. But what other effects do we have? Now, let's turn sing mode off, because I'm not going to be singing. Let's press mic instead. Pressing mic, it makes your voice a lot more louder, so you can sort of sit at a distance away from the microphone. But when you're pressing sing mode, you have to be up close and personal. Just keep it in mic mode just for now. I'm going to test out a few other features. Now, it's got a voice changer, so check this out.
Hello, everybody. Oh, Becca! Sponges under the objects! And if you really want to sound like a monster, well, why not try this?
I've had my ready break! Oh, Weetabix! I love it, I do. Or, if you want to sound like Little Wayne,
And press this. And go through the boats, Lil Wayne, baby. Do you believe in love after love? So yes, some fantastic features up on this little mixer, but we've also got some sound effects too. So check this out. Hey love, nice beauty. Oh, if one of your jokes ain't that funny, but you need a bit of a laugh, then press this. Yeah, it is. Or if your joke is actually rubbish in general, just press that. Not getting enough attention on Valentine's Day or any time through the year? Well, why not press this? Right, cheers, love. It's got a few music beats built in, which are kind of corny. Oh, disco, yeah! Disco, yeah, baby! Yeah! Proper karaoke band abroad this. Better dawn.
欢迎光临本直播室，
What did you
请
say?
继续关注。
大哥，欢迎你！感谢你来我这里。大哥，欢迎你！等风等雨等着你。他来了，他带着礼物走来了。
Yes, so that's it. So you can monitor. Sorry, let's turn that down. So yes, that's it. Basically, you can monitor everything you do via this little graphic equalizer. You can keep your eye on the recording levels, on your live levels, and on your listening levels too. Everything can be monitored through a headset and even a wired speaker. So that's it basically. That is the review of the X9 Mini portable sound card mixer. It's very simplistic. It actually has Bluetooth built in. You can indeed connect it to your laptop or PC or even mobile phone. Now, I've not got any grumbles with this particular mixer. I mean, for the price, it's really good. Can actually recommend it. Now, everything is straightforward. It is indeed plug and play. And I will leave a link for this X9 Mini portable sound card within the video description down below. So make sure you go and check it out. As usual, guys, if you like this video today, well, why not? Please smash that like button. Please subscribe. Making sure you hit that
Bell notification option.
So you guys stay updated up on our new uploads.
But as usual, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching.